Kanbanchi is an online task and project management app made to collaborate within G Suite. This is a quick overview of the app features that will allow you to start working with Kanbanchi right after you watch it. So you log in with your Google account and give the app permissions to add itself to Google Drive. It creates a folder inside your Google Drive where it will add your project boards, backups, and exports. It's very important that the app can't access other parts of your Google Drive, which makes it highly secure. It's also easily scalable to the whole organization domain. G Suite Administrator can do it in one click. Kanbanchi allows you to create project boards, and they become a shared space to collaborate across departments. When you create a new board for a project, you start with a blank Kanban board. Start by adding cards. Cards typically represent tasks. Then think about a typical task flow in your team. You're lucky if it's just to-do doing and done. Most of the projects are more complex, so your board will probably look like this when you are set up. Cards with tasks will move along the stages before they reach the done status and will get to the done list. Cards have many properties. They will help you to manage the whole project. You can assign cards to your colleagues. You can set start and due dates for your cards, set priorities, add color tags, leave comments for your colleagues, put up estimates, add subcards and related cards, and much more. Kanban board is not the only visual form that Kanbanchi has for your project. You can easily transform Kanban boards to the list with all the cards. This view will help you to sort cards using the columns, for example by priority, by progress, or by due date. Team leaders will benefit from the Gantt chart view that shows all the cards in a chronological order. This view helps to plan and schedule as well to easily understand if a project is going successfully or not. Pay attention to the cards marked overdue. Another useful view for team leaders is a team workload view. Each of the team members will have a list with cards assigned to them, so it will be easy to define who may be overloaded and who is idle. Kanbanchi is built for team collaboration, and it's very easy to share boards with your colleagues. Sharing happens inside your Google Drive, so it looks very familiar, isn't it? Click the link in this video description to try Kanbanchi with your team. I'm sure you'll love it.